Yeah, this is how I spend my Sundays. Making a couple carrot cakes for people I work with. It's something I've done for the past 8 years working there. Whenever we have any kind of potluck lunches or something like that to get together, I'll make a carrot cake. And once I started, they always ask me, can you make me a carrot? Can you make? So before I leave out of the building, figured I'd make a couple of them to share with all the people there, security and housekeeping, engineering, and the management office. Got a couple more to make next weekend too. So, anyway, I just wanted to share. This is something else I like doing. And it's funny, I used two different kind of pans, and they definitely made a difference on the shape of them. But anyway, just something I like to do. Just wanted to share.